This video was brought to you by Squarespace. Hang on, no it's not. Well, the first thing you need to do is register with Steemit. That's the mob that are connected with the Dtube, who run Dtube rather. So once you have registered with Steemit, it's pretty straightforward to upload to Dtube. You go into your Dtube account. As you can see, I have a few videos there so far. Click on upload video. Click the drop file into that area. Select your video. And here's what I found the first couple of times I made a mistake. Just let the video run while it uploads. Don't do the next step. Don't do anything else. I mean, you can do things in the background, but keep this going. And it will slowly upload. The actual upload speeds compared to YouTube, I'm not sure, I haven't checked, but remember, YouTube is a massive operation, and Steemit and Dtube are essentially in their infancy still. So then you will see the process continuing, doing all its things there. It does initially encode the video down to 480, but as I've discovered, when you play it back, or someone watches it back, you can choose to play from the source. So if it's 1080, you can watch it in 1080. So the next step, once you see a tick there, is to click on upload snap or thumbnail, and that will quickly upload. Then you can go along and put the title, description and tags or keywords. I haven't spent a lot of time so far learning the tips and tricks, but for me at the moment I'm just putting basic keywords relevant to the video. And then when you're done, you simply click submit. And then obviously the video uploaded, watch your video, etc. So it's pretty straightforward. You will be able to read a lot more about it on their site. I'll put a few links in here. And that's the way you do that. I'll put links to all of those below in the description. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and comment. Cheers.